In this short video lesson, we're going to explore how quick and easy it is to put together loops in BandLab to create a small section of music that sounds really good. Log into your BandLab account and click on Create. Let's make music. There are many options, but the quickest way is to go down here and browse loops. Here, all the packs available appear. Scroll down to see them. Choose any one of these to listen to. To listen to a particular style, even though you may not know what it sounds like, simply press this play button. Click it again to turn it off and try another. When you find one you like, simply click in the middle. Now you will see all the loops available in this particular loop pack. There are many instruments available: arpeggios, bass, chords, drums, lead synths, percussion, beats, and many more. To hear a loop, all you need to do is click on it. It will keep repeating until you click on another one. If you click on it again, it will stop. When you found one you like, simply hold the left mouse button and drag it into this area here. If this pop-up appears, just click Allow. When you put your mouse over the new loop, you'll see a hand appear. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the left, so that this sample, this loop, this sound starts right at the beginning at bar 1. To play, press this triangle here. Let's choose another one. Once again, drag it in. This time it goes underneath the first track. Then drag it to bar 1. It's important, as you add new loops, to see how they sound together. So here we've got an all-night arpeggio and now a shimmy bang bass. Rewind here, go back to the beginning and play. If you like it, that's fine. If you don't, delete it and find another. Let's add another loop. Repeat the process. Hold the mouse down and drag it to the left. There are 3 sounds now. Do they sound good together? Rewind and play. If I want to hear a section over and over again, it's very simple to click on the cycle button, which will keep repeating that section. I'm going to drag that cycle so that it plays for just 2 bars. If it sounds good, then continue and add your 4th loop. Don't worry if at this stage the new loop is smaller or larger than the others. We can change the length of loops whenever we want. I've got 4 loops now, so let's see if they sound good together. If you're happy, then you can continue now to arrange them. To extend the loop, click on it and in the top right corner move the mouse until it changes to an arrow. Hold it down and drag it to bar 17. Make sure you're being very accurate so that it finishes exactly on bar 17. Let's do the same to the second track, but this time move it by dragging the mouse again and starting it at bar 3. Then looping it to bar 15. Repeat the process and click on the next sample. This time I'm going to start this at bar 5. Go up to this handle in the top right corner. When the arrow appears, drag it to bar 13. Finally, this beat, start at bar 7 and stop at bar 11. Let's have a listen now to how this sounds. Now it's your turn to experiment with the loops available and explore the many different ways you can put sounds together to create the music you want. This is your time to do exactly what you want. There are no rules and there is no right or wrong way of doing this. Just enjoy finding the sounds you love and mixing them together. Share your discoveries with your friends. That way you will learn from each other.